Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're talking about essential oils and exercise. Working out and using essential oils is something that I have used since the beginning, since I started with oils. I used to just use my Fume a lot, which is an essential oil inhaler. You can get the same effects by just inhaling oil straight from the bottle or rolling some on and do some deep inhales. But it's basically just inhaling essential oils to kind of wake you up and get you ready to work out. There's tons of different benefits from that. And then there's also recovery. So I'm going to talk about all of that in this video, and if you have any questions or requests to do specific essential oil videos, let me know in the comments. This video will also be in a blog post if you prefer to see things written out. I will have all the links there as well for my favorite things. But I have 5 tips or just 5 benefits of why essential oils and working out are just so great. So the first one is improved mood and focus. So to get in the mood to work out is probably the hardest step. Well, it's the hardest mental step for me, at least. Physically, the actual workout is harder. But so to boost your mood and get you ready for workouts, use citrus oils. Tons of mood boosting effects. So find what oils you love for what you need them for. It's kind of just like a trial and error. So try some citrus oils to help you get in a good mood, to help boost your mood and get ready for your workout. If that doesn't work, try lavender, peppermint. There are tons of different ways. It's just like seeing what works best for you. The combination of lavender and peppermint are great because it's calming, so it kind of just brings you into a good mood, a good headspace, but also peppermint is so invigorating. Peppermint and spearmint are really great for that, along with eucalyptus. Number 2 is increased energy. So along with the same boosting your mood, increasing energy is also part of that. So peppermint, spearmint, eucalyptus, those are all invigorating oils, are going to help boost your energy and wake you up. So inhaling the essential oils, so create a diffuser space wherever you work out. If you work out in a gym, maybe bring a little personal diffuser. Those are really affordable and really effective. I just did a video on anxiety and I love those for that too. But it's basically just a tiny battery operated diffuser that will just give you a quick burst of your essential oils. So bring that with you. You can also just use a roller. So do lavender and peppermint, put it on your wrists, on your neck. The peppermint's going to have a nice cooling effect too, so that'll help when you're starting to sweat. So just so many different benefits here, but to use it to boost your mood and to boost your energy, diffusing, so inhaling or using topically and just taking a few deep breaths will help. The third benefit and tip is reduced muscle pain and inflammation. There are tons of benefits and studies on this for muscle pain. Stretching and using essential oils are my favorite way to recover from workout. I've been doing Pilates lately because we joined our local YMCA and they have a bunch of classes included. And I love workout classes. It pushes me way beyond what I would do on my own. And so I'm way more sore than what I would have been if I would have just worked out in our basement. So I've been super sore, and I, before, years and years ago, would just reach, when I was in sports and stuff, would just go for icy hot. But what is the main ingredient in icy hot that works? It's menthol. So peppermint, spearmint, eucalyptus, all of those kinds of oils are going to help reduce muscle pain and inflammation. Copaiba is another one that really helps. I like to use copaiba in my mixture when I make rollers. I also have a pre-made roller that I really like. It actually has CBD and essential oils, which is the powerhouse for muscle recovery. I'll link that down below. It's by A System. And I'll also link all of my favorite essential oil brands down below too. I'm not a one brand fits all type of person. I like to share all of the different brands that I've done research on and trust, and I will link those all below for you. Okay, tip number 4, or benefit number 4, is kind of playing on number 3 in the recovery phase, but enhanced muscle recovery. And this is with a different group of essential oils. So oils like frankincense and helichrysum, those are really good supportive oils for improving muscle recovery, reducing inflammation, and promoting the healing process, working with your body's natural healing process. I recommend making a massage oil in a bottle, like a 4-ounce bottle, putting the lavender, frankincense, helichrysum, and massaging it on, and that will help kind of the recovery process instead of just the pain, reducing the pain from your sore muscles from working out, if that makes sense. Number 5, this is just a benefit of all of this, all encompassing. So working out and using essential oils are going to help your sleep. When you are in a good workout routine, getting enough sleep is going to help with your muscle recovery just as much as everything else, like drinking water and eating the right proper balanced meals along with working out. We all know that essential oils can help promote relaxation and in turn help us sleep better. A couple of essential oils for that: lavender, chamomile, cedarwood, all of those like low grounding, calming, sedative essential oils. I have an entire video on sleep coming up soon with a bunch of sleep tips and essential oils to help promote sleep, so look for that coming soon. That is it for this video. So to recap on those, the main things that essential oils can help support us in exercise are boosting energy levels and mood for working out, reducing muscle pain and inflammation, helping muscle recovery, and helping us in getting better sleep in the whole process. So let me know if you have any questions. I have all of the things that I use for working out linked below. I have a whole Amazon page on like my at-home gym stuff that I like for downstairs, but I will also link and put in this blog post all of the essential oils that I talked about and which ones I recommend. So let me know what other questions you have. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Put your other tips for working out and recovery and all of that in the comments section, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.